One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, aiming to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. This festive season, while we're unwrapping gifts and spending time with the family, AI-powered scams and online threats are on the rise. If you're one of these people that doesn't even realise that you're being targeted, you are not alone. And today, we're diving into simple, practical steps to help you tackle AI security issues head on and stay safe online. Whether you're learning, shopping, or running a business. From AI-generated scam emails to fake customer service chatbots and deepfake videos, staying safe online is becoming a bit more complicated. But with the right knowledge and tools, you can protect yourself and your loved ones, even if you're not tech savvy. So today, I'll walk you through easy, beginner-friendly steps you could take to boost your AI security, including practical demos, trusted free resources, and helpful tools. A great way into protecting yourself is staying up to date with the latest AI tools, threats, and guidance. Here are 3 trustworthy and free resources you can start using today. Number 1. Krebs on security. It has clear explanations of real cyber threats. Number 2. Mozilla Foundation blog. It has user-friendly digital safety guidance. And finally, the Daily Upside or Tech newsletter. It has easy, short tech updates. These resources break down complex issues into everyday language, making it easier for you to understand what's happening in the world of AI and what risks you should be looking out for. Always use reputable, secure tools. One essential tool that everyone should have is a password manager. If you don't have one, download a trusted password manager, create a strong master password, enable multi-factor authentication, and finally, save your passwords securely. A password manager helps you store and generate strong passwords so your accounts stay safe. No more reusing a password for the same website, as this is a major security risk. Need help developing your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Link is in the description below. You don't need to be an expert to understand AI. Just knowing the basics helps you make those safer decisions. Learn what AI can do, what its limitations are, and how people misuse it. And remember, our free and digital resources are open to everyone. We'd love to hear your stories about how digital skills has helped you. Share your story in the comments below. Device encryption helps protect your personal data by scrambling it so no one else can read it. Even if your phone or your laptop is broken, simply go to settings, that is the wheel icon, tap encryption and credentials, and finally select encrypt phone. It takes a few moments, but it adds a powerful layer of protection. If you spot suspicious AI activity like fake customer service bots, scam emails, or deepfake messages, report them. Not just to protect yourself, but to protect your community. Advocating for strong digital policies ensures everyone benefits from safer AI. Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Check our website out in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like coding basics, social media marketing, and more with our free and paid online courses. Our digital products are both informative and educational ebooks, website templates, designing elements, books, and more. Link is in the description below. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Like and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and in-depth tutorials, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload from One Connect. Thanks for watching.
I'ma be under the mistletoe. Shawty,